when it comes to ingredients, I have a standard that I adopted from Ferran Adria, right? He has this quote where he says that an excellent sardine is always preferable to a not so good lobster. And what that means to me is that the quality of ingredients stands out far more relevant than the exoticness or than the expensive nature of certain ingredients. So I think it's relevant to remember that you want to use the highest quality ingredients that you can budget for, that you can afford, and err on the side of better raw product than having an exotic product like a truffle or a foie gras or lobster. Those are great ingredients, but you don't need to start with those. You don't have to have those ingredients to make a dish great. I think in a lot of cases, in competitions, evaluators, judges, they get really excited when they see something like a lamb neck turned into something beautiful, or something as simple as an onion that is, run through a process or a technique, and you're showing them something that maybe they've never seen before. Delicious is always the key, but always start with higher quality ingredients over fancy.